What if AI remembered every conversation you ever had, forever? That's no longer a what if. OpenAI just rolled out persistent memory for ChatGPT, meaning it now retains context across every single session. It learns your preferences, your habits, your communication style, and it gets smarter about you over time. No more repeating yourself. No more starting from scratch. This isn't just a feature update. It's a fundamental shift in how humans interact with AI. We're moving from tools that answer questions to systems that genuinely know you. And that raises a massive question. Who owns that data? And how far does this go? Subscribe for daily AI and tech news, because this space moves fast, and you don't want to fall behind.